All right, here we go. For number 3 and number 4, we're finding the y-intercept. So again, for the y-intercept, what does the x always have to be? Do y'all know? When you're finding the y-intercept, what is the x always? What's the x value for the y-intercept? Not 1? Not positive? No. No, all right, so... No, so I guess this might be new information. For the y-intercept, the x is always going to be 0. The x is always 0. So if the x is 0, then obviously we're on the y-intercept. Would y'all agree? Yeah, so when x is 0, what is my y for this, looks like this graph right here? Negative 35. So my y-intercept is going to be, I'll see it 2 different ways. 0, negative 35. Or if you just write negative 35, I will accept that for the quiz tomorrow. Okay? Again, y-intercept is just when x is 0, the y is your y-intercept. All right? X will always be 0 on a y-intercept. Let's go the other way. For an x-intercept, what do you think your y is always? 0. Yeah, one of those has to be 0 if you're looking at x or y-intercept. All right, let's look at number 4 here. Let's look at number 4. Here's the issue at number 4. Do we see an x that is 0? No, we don't. Good. But what do we see? What's the pattern going on here? So 6, 10, 8, 13, 10, 16, 12, 19. Yeah, what are these going up by? These are going up by 2, right? What are these going up by? 3. So what if I wanted to get to 0? Could I just go the opposite way? Yeah, so what would be the number before 6 that we need to put in? 4. What about before 4? 2. Before 2? 0. Good. I'm just going to draw a line just to separate it here. So if I was at 10, what would I be at when I go to 4? I'd be at 7. Good. What about before 7? 4. And before that? 1. Hey, guess what my y-intercept is? Yeah, it'd be either 0, 1 or 1. I'll accept either or tomorrow. So the official way is this right here. My y-intercept is 0, 1. But if you were just to write 1 down tomorrow, I would get it. I would count that as credit for right now. Okay? I promise you there's a question just like that on the quiz tomorrow. Just understanding y-intercept, the x is always what? 0. Good, okay? All right, the x is always 0 on your y-intercept.